Well, our primary focus as a supervisor is to make sure we provide safe and reliable energy to the customers. And first and foremost, we're going to make sure that our employees are safe when they're working. Also, we want to make sure that customers are safe. We want to make sure that we respond in a timely manner to outages.
We're always trying to find ways to do things a little bit better, work a little bit safer, and be a bit more productive. My job is very interesting. I get to see all kinds of cool stuff. We get to build different and creative stuff all the time, all over the place. This environment is constantly evolving right now. Lots of innovative stuff is happening, from electric cars that we have to build extra capacity for, this distributed generation coming from solar, from fuel cells onto our system, and how that impacts us in the telemetry of our system.
Without customers, we wouldn't be here. So as we are customer on other places as well, we want to be taken care of with respect, and we want to be taken care of with urgency. We do everything in our power we can, whether it's working after hours or on the weekends, to deliver our promise.
Now, we got new software that we're using now to do our work orders. We have some of the things that the companies provide, like Teams, OneDrive. We have opportunities to kind of use those tools the best way we know how. I think the collaboration piece of it, my job is great, because I get to work with different groups. What's the most important is the people. If you have good relationships with people, then you can get anything accomplished.